everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do an unboxing again already of Boxycharm. So this is a subscription box. If you just go to Boxycharm.com, I think that's the site, you can find these. Goodness, I'm dropping things. And you can get it for yourself. It is not exclusive or anything like that. This has a Rock 2018 card and another one, and it tells you some of the things that are in it. So let's look first, and I think you get 5 things. It's kind of like Ipsy, only these are full size and or name brands, which I think Ipsy kind of is. I don't know. I don't really know what the difference is. I just know that it's fun. Hello, Charmer. And I enjoy getting the box. So, goodness, it looks like fancy schmancy. Let's look at this It brow cover. And it's a universal brow pencil. And it looks like it's in a dark, I don't even know if that's a brown or a light black. Universal taupe, it says. So very nice. And then I don't know if this end opens. Oh yeah, it's a little brush. Huh. And there, it looks like there's instructions in here. I might pull those out. Oh, there's the color, Universal taupe. Universal transforming shades. Adjust to your brow color. Apply softer strokes for lighter hair colors, including blonde and silver. Press harder for darker hair colors, including brown and black. To finish, lightly brush through the brows with the spoily brush for a natural polished look. See enclosed how-to guide. So, if I can get that out. Yes, here we go. Anti-aging and skin loving. Has biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants in it. Start at 1, so start at the corner by your nose, arch it, and then end your brow. Creates the frame of symmetry on your face. For your perfect symmetrical frame, follow 1, 2, and 3 on the chart. So that's their big tip. Thanks. Oh, I don't have my trash can over here. So that's that. I mean, very nice. I like It Cosmetics. Oh, and let me see how much that is. $24. Developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lectin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grape seeds, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoily brush for polished perfection. So there we go. And this one is Glam Metals by Crown. Ooh, very fancy. So these are really pretty. It has like rock names, and the mirror is shaped like a guitar. I think you can see that. But I know that glare can sometimes get crazy. So the colors are Punk, Wild Thing, Black Metal, Heavy Metal, Rebel, Rock On, The Wicked, Glam Rock, and Pop Rock. Kind of cute. Let's try. I like those. Those 3 are my favorites. Very pretty. This is nice. I like this a lot. I will use this. And, oh, that says Glam Metals. Let's see. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $25. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes looks a breeze. So then we have this Pure Bronze and Brighten. And it has a sticker on it. Ugh. I just totally stuck my fingernail in that one. Oh, bummer. That's probably the one I like the best too. Oh well. Let me put that back in there. Okay, well we can see how it looks. It's very pretty. I'm going to push that back in there. Yikes. I really like it. And then let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, that one's very orange. Reminds me of a bad fake tan. And this one is probably too dark for me. So the one that I stuck my finger in is probably my favorite one, but they're all very pretty. And there's a mirror on it. Bronze and Brighten, and it says Dreamer, Bronze, Brighten. Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow are the shades. So let's see what it says about that. It says, do not put your fingernail into the product. No, it says Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, $34. As on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. So the new one is Blushing Glow, so I think the new one, well, I think it might be this one. So those two are fan favorites and this is the new one. I didn't hurt it too bad. Lee. Rub it into my face. Okay, and then we have some illuminating primer, Base Lumineer. And this is by Dr. Brandt, and I know he has some exfoliator that I really like. So this says, Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. And it is $38. And I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I really can on my hand. And I think that looks kind of good. I'm liking that. Huh, cool beans. And then last but not least, I have Girlactic Beauty. And this is matte lip paint. Manufacturer suggested retail price of $23. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-crackling, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a balm or lip primer before the application. And it does look nice. And let's see, what color is it? It is in Demure. Tells me there, I guess. And it is a matte lip paint. Oh, I keep wanting to throw these away and I can't. So very cool. I am liking all of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd say it's a 5 out of 5. I really like everything. I think I will use it. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.